We're losers, one was a winner. And it looks like we are out all the way. We are all out here. We were all out, but it's going lower. So why we took this trade? First, we below midnight open. So the other two we took, we actually went short here, because it did everything we wanted to see here. It took the buy side that were here, and also we were below midnight open. So what happened? We took a loss here, and when it came here, this is above midnight open, but we had no confirmation. We forced a trade. We got in here. Guess what? We was like in our stop was like around here, I believe, around here, and we took it went up here. We were targeting it's this buy side liquidity, and it was a loss. And then look what happened. It took this out. People that went short on here on midnight open. It took them out. It did not. Probably they were hitting. They were targeting here. Hopefully they took some profit. It came all the way back up here and took them out here. And then guess what? Came lower. First, I thought about this. Look. It's below midnight open, and also did not take this liquidity here. Guess what? It left the fair value gap. We got in here. We hold this trade. We got out here, and as you can see, it's hitting our full TP. But my daily target for today, it hits when it was around here. So I was out.